welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new around here, hello, my name is Michelle. I'm a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful children, and here on my channel you will see lots of cleaning and organizing, and today's video is a power hour and I'm just getting a few things done for the afternoon. You'll see that the weather changes because a storm happens, and then I have some guest appearances from some real cute little babies. So I'm going to get straight into the video today. I hope it gives you all the motivation that you need, and let's get cleaning. So today I'm starting off in the kitchen and I'm going to be 100% real with you. Those dishes that are sitting on top of the oven was from last night's nachos and I didn't wash them up. I sat down on the couch to watch some TV and I never got back up again. So that's some reality with you. My house is not always clean. In fact, it's mostly messy more than it is clean, and you would have seen that I dropped some hummus out of the fridge before and I walked it all through the kitchen, but don't panic, I soon realize and I wipe it up and then I mop the floors a little bit later on. And today I'm just using the Method antibacterial spray. So I'm just going to spray the benches down as I go around as I'm clearing them, and just let them sit for a bit, because if you let it sit then it works. If you wipe it off straight away then it obviously doesn't kill the bacteria, but I'm just going to allow that to sit. And can you see those clothes in the background on the dining table and all of my stools from my kitchen? But we have had rainy weather here in where we live, and I do have a dryer and I've dried a lot of the stuff in the dryer, but there are some things that I don't like to pop in the dryer. So I've brought them upstairs. I do have a clothesline that I do hang underneath my house. We have a little covered patio, but we popped it away when we were doing some renos. So I need to put that back out. And here I'm just tidying everything away. I've got some cleaning cloths that I had earlier, and I bought that cute fern today from Bunnings, and it's in a little vintage pot. Well, it's made to believe it's vintage. I doubt it'd be vintage, but it's so cute, so hopefully I will keep it alive. I am slowly introducing real plants into the house. A lot of my real plants I popped out onto my veranda because I was worried about the cats, but they seem to be going okay, and they've got their own special catnip and cat mint, and I'm just bopping on to Britney Spears in my AirPods. I love Britney and she's keeping me motivated today. I'm about to explode. If you are new here, hello and welcome. I am so glad you've come to watch this video today, and I would love for you to consider clicking the subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. And if you're wondering why my kitchen is looking a little bit haphazard with grey cabinets and non-painted skirtings, it's because we just recently painted our kitchen grey and we are halfway through it. So we do lots of renovations, and if you want to follow more then definitely head on over to my Instagram, and that drawer I need to sort one day. So we'll just close that and deal with that another day. But yes, as I was saying, if you would like to join me over on Instagram too, I am active every day over there and you see more behind the scenes. But I'm really appreciative of you coming and watching my video today. I know there's lots of you cleaning videos, and the fact that you clicked on mine today means the world to me. And also, if you have been following for a long time, it means the world to me as well that you come back each time when I post a video in, and I really do appreciate it. And it won't be long now and my gorgeous farmhouse sink will be installed in here, and this area will be looking a lot more different. I cannot wait. And I also thought I'd mention that I stacked all of the dishwasher and washed up and wiped up. I ended up taking all the lunchbox dishes out and hand washing them, and then Will came in for a drink and I turned off the camera and I forgot to put it back on when he walked away. So that was silly of me, but hopefully this gives you enough motivation about dishes, because we sure do need that, because washing the dishes is my least favorite job. vacuum I am using today is the Dyson V10 Animal, and I love it, but one time I was filming a video and I emptied the canister and I broke the canister, so it doesn't pull like when you open it anymore properly. The whole thing falls off. I probably could go get it repaired, but it's still working, so I'll leave it as it is. And here I'm just using my Co mop. I'm not using the Co product inside of it. I'm just using the Method Squirt and Go. I think it's the Ginger and Lang, is that how you say it? I can't remember. But I can't get the actual bottle on my Co mop off. It's kind of like suctioned in, and I normally fill it with the Method or whatever, like Co or whatever cleaning product I'm using on the floor when I'm doing a quick spot mop, but I can't get it off. I used to have one of the Oceda, what's it called here in Australia, the Veleda spray mops, but I gave it to my sister-in-law when she had her baby to make mopping a lot easier. So I might grab another one of those just so I have a backup mop, because it's driving me crazy that I can't get that cylinder off. And I also popped on my mop socks because I love wearing these, because as you can see, I kind of buff out marks on the ground, and then also I can go back and forth and not make a big mess on the floor.
I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting.
I don't actually clean my dining room today because the clothes are still wet, and I'm just going to let them hang up. And I'm just using the Method grapefruit scent with just a dusting cloth. I'm not a fan of the Method grapefruit. I just feel like it smells like a dirty dishcloth. I don't know if you think the same. I'd love for you to let me know, but it just, I don't know, there's something about it. It doesn't smell that great. And the funny thing is, guys, my kids are outside at present while I'm doing this cleaning video, and the afternoon kind of became sunny again, but a storm comes over, so this is kind of pointless of me mopping the floor, and you can't really see, but it is pretty dirty. The lighting's not showing you that, but you'll see soon. There really was no point of this cleaning video, because you'll see.
You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
I'm just sharing with you the nice, tidy and clean living room and kitchen, and yep, that's a teenager walking through on the wet floor. That's reality, guys. I have kids and it started to spit, so she's come in from upstairs, and the other two were still outside at this point, but I did use my mop slippers to buff it off, and she had shoes on, so she didn't really have dirty feet. But that's reality, that we have kids home, and most of the time I film my cleaning videos when my kids aren't home because of this exact reason of stopping wanting food, wanting drinks, and And yep, that's me carrying my 11-year-old son to his room. It started to have lightning outside, so Izzy and Will came upstairs as well. So yep, that's me just not wanting the floors getting dirty, but I thought I'd keep that clip in there for you guys. It might make you laugh. I don't know if anybody else does the same thing, but that's real life.
You're the antidote, losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
And I stopped cleaning for a moment because Isabel called out to say that it was getting really windy, really fast, and really wet. So we've let the border collies in. Bonnie, my border collie that you're about to see, hates Storm, the poor little darling. So she's run inside and they're shaking all their water all over them, but they're worth it. I can always re-mop again, and I love them so much. So it didn't bother me. And then I went back into the room that I was cleaning, and someone came and joined me. She's so cute. She is so worth it, and oh my goodness, I love her. Isabel tried to stop her, but oh well, she's here and she's safe, and I love her.
Nothing goes your way, so I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
So my office, this used to be Olivia's bedroom, and the desk area used to be Olivia's wardrobe closet that my dad built when we first built our house. And I just removed the doors, and then my husband Chris popped in the desk area, and so it was already a built-in, technically, area, and I just love it in here. And it's also my catch-all to pop anything that we've bought for other projects in here. So I have my gardening projects and a couple of pieces of furniture for downstairs as well. I have a cute little she shed shepherdess hut, that's a mouthful, that I will be popping up. I will be renovating soon, so I think I might do a video about that. And we have our garden that we are building out there as well, but that's a whole lot of stuff there, and that way I just keep it here so I don't lose any pieces and they don't get wrecked. So that's my reality again, that this room isn't perfect. And that little desk area over there, the girls and I are going to make some face masks. Here in Queensland, we don't have to wear them because coronavirus has not got high numbers. But down south in Victoria, it's really bad at the moment, and there are laws that you have to wear a mask. So we want to be prepared and make sure that we have some masks, and we thought maybe we make them, we may be able to give them to some people that want them as well. And now I am just back into my office. My sister rang while I was actually editing the video, and today I posted a picture of my office, and my sister is really good at styling, so she's on the phone with me through FaceTime talking to me on how to make the shelves more 3D, and I ended up loving how she showed me how to do it, and I really love it, and I think it turned out really well. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video today. I hope you would consider to stick around and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I just want to say I really appreciate you guys watching today, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Down.